Sending money from Canada to England is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can send money from Canada to England with the minimal fees. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google and I'm going to search for Remitly. And I'll go to this website, which is remitly.com. Now Remitly is a website or a service that lets you transfer money from country to country. So you just need to sign into the account, or if you don't have any account, you just need to create one quickly. Now after signing in, you simply have to select your country as Canada. So for that, you have to click on this UK and you have to select Canada. And after selecting your country, you simply have to go to the send money and you have to select England right here. So I'm just going to search for UK. So let me just scroll down. As you guys can see, I just selected UK, and as you guys can see, the UK is selected. I'm sending money from Canada and I'm sending to UK. Now here you have to enter the amount that you want to send. Suppose I want to send $10. After that, it will want you to attach your bank account and the receiver's bank account in which he wants to receive. So that's how easy it is. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this super helpful.